Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to open Schwab International Brokerage. So guys, I am on the exact website or exact URL. As you can see, open account and route. Click the option open account. And so guys, what you need to open account, you need to tax ID number or social security number, for example this one. And to get started, choose the country from here guys. For example, I am from United State of America. And then guys, choose a popular investment account and DVD brokerage or join or RIA. Click this one guys, for example, and then just wait a few seconds guys to loading this page. Let's open an individual account. Scroll down guys, click get started. From here you have 4 steps guys to reach agreement option. Your first name and last name and middle name, this is the personal information. From here guys, choose the address and date of birthday and click on social security number. And from here you have contact information and just complete all the steps guys. For example, enter a valid number and then until you click continue. And then guys, after that, choose the middle of name and for example this social number. So guys, for example this social number, and then click on phone number informations and complete the steps. You should have these steps to complete your open account. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.